Hello, I am Tara.
And I'm Jill.
And we are the authors of the Dining on a Dime cookbook. And believe it or not, we have a whole cleaning section in here. We do. On how to make your own homemade cleaners, how to do the dishes, how to clean your kitchen, how to clean your bathroom. Because really, housekeeping is all encompassed. And so we wanted to make sure that you had the recipes for homemade cleaners and that kind of thing.
It's like a little encyclopedia.
Yep. And then we also have our how to clean and organize how to organize and clean your home ebook series. We just changed the name because nobody was keeping it clean.
They didn't understand.
We just changed the name.
And they are packed full of different, unusual, and really good ideas.
And actually, to show you how packed full, this is just a part of the ebook right here, which I just messed up. Right here, we printed it out.
That's just part of it.
That's a part of it. So today we are doing tip number 1, how to get organized. And tip number 1 is never stop picking up.
When you walk from the kitchen and you're going into the bathroom, if you see a medicine sitting on the counter that belongs in the bathroom, you grab it as you're walking into the kitchen. You never stop picking up and moving this stuff into the next room.
When it's a TV commercial and you see that pile of laundry that needs to go put up, it's already folded because you folded it while you were watching TV. Take that commercial and go put it in the drawers and hang it up where it goes.
Keep picking up. And when you will have less picking up if you start putting things away automatically, immediately when you use them. Get the kids trained to do that.
And before bed, have the kids pick their stuff up. Now, I've gotten a little relaxed on this, but it used to be, and I'm doing better actually. I go through spurts because I'm sick and I'm tired and all that, but every night before bed, 20 minutes before bedtime, I would say find all of your stuff and pick it up and put it where it belongs. Of course, they never found all their stuff. So then I would say find 10 more things and pick it up and put it where it belongs. I don't care if it's yours or not. Everybody pick up 10 things and find a place to put it. And I'm not kidding. In 5 to 10 minutes, we would have it all done. It's not a long process.
Well, see, the thing is, if you stay on top of this, you don't have mounds that you're having to move and take care of. You only have a few things. In the morning, before they get ready for school, before they can eat breakfast, I mean, I didn't say you can never eat breakfast, but before they had breakfast, they had to pick up their bedroom. Usually there wasn't much for them to do because they picked up the night before, but they're very hungry, so they're very motivated.
And like Jack loves his stories. Mike reads him a story every night before bed. So now the rule is no stories until your closet and your bedroom floor are totally picked up. It takes him like 3 minutes, if that long.
Yeah, people say, how can I get my kids to do anything? This is very easy.
And if it's a horrid, jumbled mess and you just don't even know where to start with before stories, like with Jack. We are picking up 10 things tonight. Tomorrow we're doing 10 more things. The next night we're doing 10 more things until the entire room is clean. And there are times where the room will be a pit. And it happens, and I don't have the option to help them clean all of it. So we will go in increments each night, getting it.
And you help them a little bit.
Yeah.
When you're working with them side by side, it motivates them even more. It makes them feel better. I, as an adult, like to have somebody else helping me, So.
So that's our number 1 tip on how to get organized is keep picking up. And we are going to be back next with our tip number 2 on how to get organized and declutter, I guess, too, sort of. Please visit us at livingonadime.com and check out our how to organize and clean your home book set. That's a long
mouthful.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.